The real little ones we didn't catch on film. Too bad.
No, they're down there though. They're
Yeah, Virginia Beach. Trying to catch some shells. Trying to get shelling, and there's nothing here. Clean beach.
not going to.
It's not going well. Oh, it's beautiful here though.
This beach is bare.
It is bare. It is bare. I've never seen a beach have so little shells before. It's crazy.